This is camellia oil. After I'm finished with my plane for the day, I blow it off like you just saw, and then I just quickly take it apart. I give the cloth a quick spray with the camellia oil. That's way more than enough. Give the blade a wipe down. Give the blade bed a wipe down. Give the Norris adjuster a wipe down. Give the brass knob a wipe down. Give the underside of this and the brass parts on it a wipe down. Quickly reassemble it. Tighten the lever cap up, just finger tight. Now you can give the rest of it a wipe down as well. I give everything that isn't blackened a thorough wipe down. The whole sole and the edges. And there you go, ready to be put back into storage until the next time I need it.